join Ms. Wofford.
Thank you so much for having me on the show today. I'm so happy to be here.
You're welcome. Now, I understand you have graduated from Harvard University and you have your master's in science and mythology?
Yes, I did. Both science and meteorology are both wonderful topics.
And I also understand you're here to give us some awesome facts about one of the most common types of natural disasters, tornadoes.
Yes, I am. I also brought here with me my lovely assistant to help me, Miranda Oxenberg.
Please join Miranda Oxendine.
Let's get started. 10 facts about tornadoes. A tornado appears as a rotating funnel-shaped cloud that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground with rolling winds that can reach 300 miles per hour. Danvers Pass can be 1 mile wide and 50 miles long. Tornadoes sometimes form when a warm front meets a cold front, forming a thunderstorm which can spawn one or more twisters. Rotating thunderstorms, called mesocyclones, are the best predictors of tornado activity. Mesocyclones are well-defined thunderstorms on radar that may include hail, severe winds, lightning, and flash floods. Most twisters or cyclones travel from southwest to northeast and can move in the opposite direction for short periods of time, and may even backtrack if hit by winds from the thunderstorm's core. Funnel clouds usually last less than 10 minutes before disappearing, with many only lasting several seconds. On rare occasions, cyclones can last for over an hour, as many were reported to have done in the early 1900s. Tornadoes may appear nearly transparent until dust and debris are picked up or a cloud forms in the funnel. Tornadoes can accompany tropical storms and hurricanes as they move onto land. Tornadoes are most likely to occur between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m., but can occur at any time. In the southern states, peak tornado occurrence is in March through May, while peak months in the northern states are during the summer.
That was awesome! I've never heard of some of those facts before.
Yes, sometimes it can be mind-blowing.
Well, that was great. Thank you for being on the show today, Mrs. Wofford, and thank you for sharing those facts.
No problem.
And now we come back, we will see how an old lady saved a cat from a tree after these messages.
Are you tired of not knowing what the weather's like outside? Are you tired of being picked on because you don't know what the weather's like outside? Well, now we have a new addition for you, the Weather Rock. Now you'll have the comfort of knowing what the weather is just by a look at the rock, and we have all kinds of weather for you to know about. If the rock is wet, that means it's raining. If the rock is dry, that means it's not raining. If the rock is white on top, that means it was snowing. And now we have a new addition. If the rock is gone, that means there was a tornado. The Weather Rock is so lightweight you can hang it anywhere, like a tree, or a mailbox, or a pole, a flagpole. And now you can get your own Weather Rock today with just 3 easy payments of $19.95 plus shipping and handling. Order now!
Commercial for this important weather message. To you, Lindsay.
I'm here now at Fairfield Farms, where there is a real tornado. It has been a tragic here because there's so many people that have lost their lives due to this tornado. And as you can see, there's harsh winds and rain. Everyone in this neighborhood is hoping and praying for the best here. And now the 10 facts. Back to you, Alyssa.
Thank you, Lindsay. It is really tragic. We just received some information from the weather station down in Cumberland County about the tornado. The damage was about E0 to E3. It hit Cumberland County at 3:45 to 4 o'clock on April 16, 2011. Most damage to Kelly Spring Fields and Yadkin Road, Fairfield Farms, and Linden. It did not have a classified name. It moved I-95 in Virginia. 2 people were killed, one in Fayetteville and one in Virginia, and it seems 85 people were injured in this tornado. Here's some pictures from the storm. And this is all we have for today. We will see you soon, and stay tuned next for the movie Twister.
We are with Mrs. Miranda Oxendine. How long have you known Mrs. Wofford?
Just about a year now, but she's really been a pain in the you-know-what, if you know what I mean. So sad.
And in one word, how would you describe the News Channel 7 newscaster and Mrs. Wofford's relationship?
Complicated. I mean, seriously, they go out and just like do all these crazy stuff all the time. Have you seen the video on YouTube about that Steven guy? It's us too. It's crazy. We were just in disguises. I mean, seriously, they're crazy back there. Have you seen backstage? Oh.
Guess Dr. Radford, a college professor from Harvard University.